apply your mind.
Returns will be equal to the investment. Returns will be equal to the investment or more than investment.
Right. What else? I think you are not still asking me the relevant question. Okay, I'll get it. So you, first of all, the point is, what am I offering them? Nobody is asking me that question. What I'm asking them that you give me 5 crore rupees for putting your name into the station. But what are my offerings for that 5 crore rupees? No. We have certain deliverables. What was the deliverable? Their name will be put, it will be put as Synchrony Financial High-Tech City Station, number 1. Okay? Whenever the train which is coming to Synchron that station, it will be announced. Every time when you go to in a train, it is said now the High-Tech City Station is coming, right? So it will be announced, now you are reaching to Synchrony Financial High-Tech City Station. Right? That's the second deliverable. Third deliverable is, we will give you certain space to put your holdings on the station. Fourth deliverable will give you some place on as a retail space on the station where you can do the activation on. So there are various parts. Now, what is the major difference in this? When you are born, you are given a name. Suppose your parents would have not given you any name, then what would happen? How will you get identified? You are getting identified primarily because you have a name, right? I am selling that identification to them in 5 crore rupees. I am telling you, every time a train will run, your name Synchrony Financial is going to be said. And is a study already, no holding has an eyeball catching of more than 30 days in your mind. No advertisement which comes in the newspaper have a recall value of more than 5 days in your mind. But if you listen to something on a regular basis, you might be doing some prayers every day. Do you do some prayer every day? Do you read the book and do the prayer? But when you did for the first time, what did you do? You read the book. So if you keep on repeating the same thing, it gets registered forever in your mind. And that has tremendous value over the money which you are spending for your branding. Every advertisement, and I did a ROI calculation for them. I said, if you do 10 or 12 advertisement in Times of India front page in 1 year, that cost you 15 lakhs rupees per advertisement. Into 12 advertisement, say the cost and the recall value is still less. So all that convincing and putting the facts in front of them was given. I said, High-Tech City is the most prominent station and you are there. And then I also did one more thing. Can you tell me what else I could have done here? And you do it. As kids, you do it every day. Huh? You do emotional blackmail to your parents and your friends and your teachers every day. So I told them, if you will not take it, your light is standing next to it, and Aparna Construction is standing her to it, I will select it. I will not reduce a single price to you. Take it for me. And they gave me the check of 10%. And let me tell you, if you are aware about it, not only this, we created some new ideas. Like we created a new idea for the first time in the world called pouring rights on the station. Pouring rights means we gave the rights of only selling Coca-Cola on the station. No Pepsi will be sold. And we took money from it. We gave the rights of putting the TVs and their programs to TV5. So these were innovative ideas which did not came to me because I was skilled or I was qualified or I had an experience. It just came because of two things. One is common sense, and second is we had the team who was debating all the time. And they were coming out with the ideas, and they were failures and they were successes, and it was going on. But in the end, let me tell you, what L&T decided that I was supposed to do as 5 crore rupees business, in the very first year we booked an order of 250 crore rupees. The 45% of TOD was not happening, but we reached to from 5% requirement to 20% in the 5 years. So again, this is not rocket science, it's business. And business comes with using common sense, application of mind and teamwork. And I think I will conclude with that. Okay? Thank you very much.
Anybody wish to ask sir something?
Yeah, if you have any question, I can answer. I'm
Any
sorry.
question? Anyone have any question to ask sir?
Any questions? Oh yeah, please.
Sir, regarding HMA, I have a question.
Yes, I think you are the one who asked the question to ma'am. Huh?
No,
Okay.
it's another.
Okay, tell me.
Sir, for applying for HMA, like how can we use that opportunity to connect to the industries? How will that procedure go?
Okay, I think they are, first of all, I request you to go to the website of HMA, which is hmaindia.net. Okay. And the office is very near to your college, so you can always walk into the HMA office there. There are a couple of things which we do for the students. Is St. Joseph a member of HMA? Student chapter? Right, okay, good. So as a student chapter, you get a lot of facilities. First is you can, your faculty can always ask for people from our membership who can come and conduct programs for you, like the one which we are conducting today. Second thing what you can do is we are having an industry readiness program, which is a 42 hours, 50 days program online right now, where top business school faculty is conducting the programs along with the top CXOs of the MNCs. The price of this particular program is only 1200 rupees. Okay. And this is online. This is known as Industry Readiness Program. It's a bridge between campus to corporate, or campus to work, or campus to entrepreneurship, where you can get a lot of insight. And let me tell you, we started this program this year, and the first program concluded early, where 5 of the top students, they already got the job. And one of them has dedicated and said to that he has got it because of the IRP program he attended. So that's an opportunity which you can look at. And second program is starting on 23rd of January. The online applications are already there. It goes through a scrutiny process. So it is not that you can just pay 1200 rupees and you get in. You have to get selected in that, and which is not difficult. There is a faculty from IMT who conducts those programs for us. He is a member of HMA. The third area which you can benefit is that we come out with a newsletter every month, and that newsletter is available even to a non-member. So you can go to the HMA website, you can put your email, and it will come as a soft copy to you. If you want it should come as a hard copy to you, you can tell the office, they will take your address and they will send you the hard copy of it. Now this, there are about 4 pages which are dedicated to certain articles which are written by the people which can help you to learn a lot from reading it. The next way of helping yourself through HMA is that you are all social media savvy, so HMA has their social media on LinkedIn and Facebook and Twitter. And there are a lot of studies which we put occasionally, like studies which are not available to you easily, like McKinsey's study on the business, or BCG reports on certain sectors, etc., which you can download and read it from there, and it will help you to stay abreast with the current business scenario in the world market. Apart from that, we conduct regular programs, about 2 to 3 on a monthly basis, which is currently online, and in future it will be offline. It was earlier offline, and these programs are conducted by eminent personalities into the business lines of the world. And one of the such program which I am sure that you should attend, and everybody should register, including your faculty and you, and it is free of cost. IMA, which is our parent organization, which is All India Management Association, they have a flagship program which is Regional Management Conference. So in last almost 56 years of HMA, this is the second time that IMA program is coming to Hyderabad. It is scheduled on 10th of February. It's an online program, half a day program. And in that half a day, there are 4 plenary sections where top-notch industry people like Mr. Shivakumar, who is the current managing director of Aditya Birla Group, who was earlier the managing director of Pepsi. We have people like KTR will be there to inaugurate that. We have Mr. Parkala Prabhakar, if you know, is the husband of Miss Nirmala Sitharaman, and he runs one of the top-notch marketing company. He is going to be there. We have Dr. Jain, who is the director of Symbiosis Hyderabad, and so many there. I think that's a program which each one of you should attend. The registration is already on. There is no price for that, but the only limit is only 500 first come first served basis people can be attending that. Then apart from that, as I told you, regularly we conduct a program, and these programs are sent to our social media. You can know from there, you can know from our website. Like there is a program on 11th, where there is one gentleman who is a TED speaker, and he is also known as the Coconut Man of India, Mr. Desai, not Mr. Desai, some other name. And he is going to do a lecture on 11th, which is online from 6:30 to 8:30, which is again available on social media. So attend these kind of programs. See, when you hear to these kind of people, something will get into your head. And after that, maybe you can implement it and experience it and learn it. This is the way you keep abreast about it. That's the way. These are a couple of the things which it comes to my mind. And you have a liberty because you are very close by. If you feel that you need any help in any way which HMA can help you, we are always open for that. We also have, sometimes we get the internship options also, whenever it is possible. If you will be in touch with HMA, you will know those options if it is of any interest to you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Anything else? Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for an excellent session. Now I request our Dean Academics, Professor R. Anita ma'am, to felicitate our guest speaker with the memento. Thank you, ma'am. It is my pleasure to propose the vote of thanks. At the outset, I express my thanks to Mr. Sanjay Kapoor for an inspirational session. Sir has shared his life experiences so that students understand about difficulties and the ways to overcome them. Sir insisted on stating life is very simple, but we make it complicated. The first story you have related to a problem solver to all our students. Sir, you have mentioned that using common sense is very important for any professional. I wish to thank our principal, Reverend Father Dr. D. Sundar Reddy, for his support and guidance always. I thank Professor Ananita, Dean Academics, for her efforts for the sport conduct of the program. I thank our HOD, Mrs. Dharam Tresa, and orientation committee members for their wholehearted support extended. I thank all my colleagues, Kiran sir and Swami sir, for their technical support and supporting staff of the college for their ready help. I thank our MPA students for their patience listening and active participation. I thank one and all for the success of this session. Thank you.